Ever wondered about the fundamental differences between rocks and minerals? It's a common question, and the answer is simpler than you might think. Welcome to our quick guide on distinguishing between two fundamental components of our planet, rocks and minerals. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what makes each unique. Many people use rock and mineral interchangeably, or think one is simply a larger version of the other. However, they are distinct entities with specific definitions in geology. The key distinction lies in their composition and structure. Once you grasp these basic characteristics, telling them apart becomes easy. Let's start with minerals. A mineral is a naturally occurring inorganic solid with a definite chemical composition and a characteristic crystalline structure. First, minerals must be naturally occurring solids. This excludes man-made substances or liquids. Second, each mineral has a specific fixed chemical composition. For example, quartz is always silicon oxide. Third, minerals possess an orderly, internal atomic arrangement, forming a crystalline structure. This gives them their unique shapes and properties. Think of common minerals like quartz, calcite, and feldspar. Each fits these criteria perfectly. Now let's move on to rocks. A rock is generally defined as a naturally occurring solid aggregate of one or more minerals or mineraloids. Unlike minerals, rocks are typically mixtures. They are made up of multiple mineral grains, or even just one type of mineral, but in an aggregated form. Some rocks can also include organic matter, which minerals cannot. For example, coal is a rock primarily composed of organic carbon. Common examples of rocks include granite, basalt, and limestone. Each is an aggregate of various components. So, to recap the main distinction, minerals are the fundamental building blocks, while rocks are compositions of these blocks. Think of it like this. Minerals are individual Lego bricks, each uniform and distinct. Rocks are the structures you build using those Lego bricks, combining different types or many of the same. Minerals are homogeneous, meaning they are uniform in composition throughout. Rocks are often heterogeneous, containing different components and textures. There you have it. The difference between a rock and a mineral is quite straightforward once you understand their basic definitions. Minerals are naturally occurring, solid, inorganic, with a definite chemical composition and crystalline structure. Rocks are aggregates of one or more minerals. Understanding this distinction is key to appreciating the vast complexity and beauty of Earth's geological composition. Keep exploring.